My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site hubeidigitalsoft.com. Some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups, and typically these pop-ups are related to some other illegal sites that may offer some illegal file downloads. If users visit such illegal sites, they may see this pop up instead, and they think that they are going to download the requested file, but in reality they are downloading some other malware or adware. So if you see these pop-ups, treat them with extreme caution. Don't trust them. Leave this page immediately. Our suggestion and our recommendation is that you additionally investigate your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.